Ginonghikai Deficit Balasyong That Hapok Shatri Meghalaya Retired Deficit School Teachers Association MRDSTA kiladawa na sorkar jela bakan kentiu ya death come retirement gratuity DCRG na kalay point sanlak siya ka shipolak tingka batru ban kentiu ya bay bam temen jong kinonghikai kinongyalam ka MRDSTA kila pentip ru bakan sadan ka jingalang ha ubnay leber hajar posaw hagaru hills banyakren halor kini kimat jingdawa lada ka sorkar kadang sngap menti kinong hikai balasyong that kimbansi banmi madan ban pynlong da ka jingiakhih wat hapdeng ka jingnorta habakren siya kilat patay kubor presiden ka MRDSTA uba i nong siang ulayathu uba nadu hajar po kaseng kaladawa na sorkar jela bankentiu ya ka DCRG na kalay point sanlak siya ka shipolak tingka hendray hadu menta ka sorkar kampat syam lasyam ya kinu kisian jam bankentiu ya ka DCRG uba nong siang ulayathu bagidan hadu kumbalay hajar ngut kinong hikai deficit balasyong than hendray hadu menta kimpat yo ya ka baybam temen Watla don na pedeng kinong hikai ki balasyong than la palad posnam. Ka sorkar jela kala kentiu ya ka DCRG hendray tang na kabanta kinong hikai ki basyong than nadu usnam hajar katnyo hadu hajar puar hendray ngiladawa na ka sorkar ban kentiu lang ya ka DCRG na kabanta kinong hikai ki basyong than haswa usnam hajar katnyo bat hadin hajar puar laong ubat nong siang. Ha kabayade bat kabay bam temen ubat nong siang ulayathu baka tenat puli puthi kalapan kare da ka Meghalaya Non-Government Deficit Schools and Teachers Employees Rule 2023 hendray hadu menta ka sorkar jela kampat ya ka jingmenjur
Meghalaya Retired Deficit School Teachers Association Meghalaya Retired Deficit School Teachers Association. This association was formed in 2019 and we have taken up mainly two agenda for our association. That is the DCRG and pension, the death cum retirement gratuity and pension. What happened is that the government has enhanced the DCRG for the teachers only of 1/1/2017 up to 31st March 2022. And so we have written to the director that he should consider also for those teachers who retired before 2017 and also for the teachers who retired after 2017. This DCRG is a gratuity given by the government to the retired teachers. It was only 3.5 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, and until this year they have enhanced it to 10 lakhs. This was due right from the Fourth Pay Commission and Fifth Pay Commission, but the government has not done that. And now they are going to enhance that ceiling for the DCRG up to 10 lakhs, but only for the teachers who retired within the period of 2017 to 2022. So we have written to the director that he should enhance the ceiling for DCRG right from before 2017 and also after 2022. So all the teachers who retired before 2017 also they should be eligible, and the teachers who retired after 2022 also they should be eligible for this enhancement. And then the main point, the main agenda of our association is pension. You know, we have made so many representations, memorandum submitted to many education ministers, and even to the chief ministers also many times we have met. But it seems that the government is delaying it. They do not grant the pension as we have demanded from them. And there is a draft scheme of pension. It is known as a draft scheme of pension for Meghalaya non-government deficit schools and teachers employees rule 2023. And this also has come out from the department, but it is yet to be approved by the government. It is just a draft. It is not yet approved by the government. Therefore, we have requested the government through the director and the commissioner and secretary education. As we have met already the chief minister, he has directed us to meet officials, and he has assured us that since we are holding sanction posts in the deficit schools, so we are eligible also for pension. But that assurance is still pending. The officers have not been able to project it to the government for approval. So we are waiting for that. So now today we have met together here in Jail Road Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, to discuss more on this, and we are going to hold another meeting in Garo Hills. We had a meeting about 3 weeks ago in Tura, where a large number of retired teachers attended. Then again, we are going to hold a meeting in the month of March, maybe, in the month of March, and there in Garo Hills. And if we find that the government is still delaying to our demand, then we may go for some kind of agitations after the month of March next year, 2024. Because you have seen our teachers, they are old, most of them, they have no money, they cannot travel even to Shillong, and we also cannot go to Garo Hills. So we are struggling, we are living a life of destitution and penury. We are living a very pathetic, uncomfortable and miserable life at the twilight of our lives. And we were once upon a time a very we were once upon a time the members of society who were living a dignified life. But now we are really struggling, and therefore we urge the government, we plead the government that they should also take up our demand and grant pension, so that at least we can live a very decent life without disturbing our children and the society. We are at present begging from our children and from the society to carry on living. So we would like that the government take up our issue so that we can live a decent life by ourselves with pension.
Government can even address yakin ki issues kemudian kampam juga mereka. Yang ingin tip ini anu miak milik. Ingin hari ini perkat, mereka mengi perkat tang Thailand di mengi kerana kemudian ini perkat ke education juga state berkoi. Bahkan kiu. Dia apakah education bahkan kiu kemudian hidup kami kita kai betul-betul onwan. Kita kena kai bari banwan. Kinwan kumno apa kata kapi bani orang ihap ni surat apa asyo, ka selai ka bom ka tiet. Kita ada ke ba insusi ban kunto. Kemungkinan ba mata ring la mus syong thai kalau 60 70 plus ngai don. Tingnya mi banyak kunru. Nyemla balai rumla banyak yang mentak kiwan ka pina do Garo Hills. San spa kilo tadi jangan kiwan. Bakam dai bakidon ke jingiakhih numwan sini. Kita kali ke jingiakhih ke sorkar kapan perhat ke. Kinong mi kwan badon burom ki policy magaring. Dar kim address ya ke education ke state kanum kilo no.
Jingtrekam jungi kala jrong don nangi kiba arpupra kundai lai pusan snem nila don ha waka service tin rei ndala shong thaj pat ngyo i ai kani kam yahap ken kat ba ngitip ba MLA da job sheet term ru ulaya yo pension tang sansnem sibo tang sansnem ru ula yo ka pension te kam yahap syu ka oi te kam yahap syu ken kata ka kom trei ka sansnem bat ka lai posnem te ka la pher bak laba ma ten rei kumta ka sorkar ka iaki namar kisnahi ma ya ka an men ayalade kat bayangi kinoi kai padangi ya struggle kan ka nur ka ida kan ma ha u khandai pun reu khandai pun nyau but hoi kadon ka tu ka fourth pay commission ro tang ban penrung kimut ban pendu no ya ki deficit school teachers ban ai kan ka pay commission ten rei da ka jingiakhih jongi ngilala ban yo ka fourth pay commission nata ya kan ka fifth pay commission ro kala khamsuk ka fifth pay commission mangila dep yakhi la shwa kata te kisa ai ladangim yakhi ngatrangim yo ora kini ki pay commission ba fero nak mata gi different school teachers kadai tang lamba ka jingiakhih jongi isa yo e gitu